Alright, today we're going to take a look at a Zippo, and the design is used on every one of their hundreds of Zippos. I don't know if it's thousands, but every Zippo has this design on it. Okay, it's a genuine Zippo in the normal Zippo black box, and it says Zippo and Flame, and it was made in Bradford, PA. It's the normal insert. Now this flame is on every Zippo, and all you have to do is look at the bottom, and the eye in Zippo is dotted with that flame. This one was made in K of 18, which is about November. But you can see the eye dotted with the flame. So it's on every Zippo. And this is a two-piece plaque, either sonic welded or glued onto this Zippo. It's a really nice design. It's got everything you need right there to identify it. It says Zippo. It's got the flame since 1932. It's got a steel insert. Lights up real nice. Not the best sound, but the Zippos with the plaque, the two-part plaque on them, always have a different sound. Let's do a drop test on this flame design. That one rolled way right. Let's try it again. Okay, there's a second drop test, successful on the flame design. It's on every Zippo and definitely goes right up there. I have a few flame designs. I probably have a dozen. These are some of the best ones. And according to the First Amendment, we can use cowbell for this design. Knuckle bump.